All right, guys, we are here on the shores of Lake Washington in Kirkland on the waterfront. Excited to bring this 3-bedroom condo to market. This one is special. I can't wait to show you around.
Alone and hurting, but you got pills for the pain. I tried to swallow the change, but you don't love me the same as you did, as you did, you did.
So living on the water in Kirkland is amazing, but you gotta have a place for your boat. And the neat part is this home has a slip for your boat. It's a deeded slip. It comes with the unit. You can't beat that, ready to go. So perfectly located on Lake Washington Boulevard, literally just 5 minutes from Carillon Point. And driving wise, you're about 3 minutes to the 405, 3 minutes to the 520. You cannot beat this location here on the water in Kirkland. You gotta come check it out.